good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel with me, Heni Mariani Sine. The material that I will describe today is about building, city, and object. Describe building. Borobudur Temple Building. Borobudur is the biggest temple in Indonesia. Candi Borobudur is in Magelang, Central Java. Notwithstanding being a clamoring vacation destination, is likewise a focal point of love for Buddhists in Indonesia, particularly in very festival of Vesak. This is steady with the importance of its name is cloister in the slopes. Borobudur is right now assigned as one of the UNESCO World Heritage. Borobudur was constructed around 800 BC or 9th century. Borobudur was assembled by the devotees of the Mahayana Buddha amid the rule of the Sailendra line. This temple was fabricated in the prime of the Sailendra tradition. Borobudur adore King Samaratungga from dynastic or Sailendra administration. The likelihood of this temple was manufactured around 824 AD and was finished around the year 900 AD amid the rule of Queen Pramudawardhani, who is the girl of Samaratungga. While the engineers who added to construct this temple, as indicated by the account of inherit named Gunadarma. The word Borobudur itself be first composite confirmation composite by Sir Thomas Stanford Raffles, the Governor General of Great Britain in Java, which gave the name of this temple. There is no composite proof. The more established who issue it the name Borobudur Temple. The main archives that demonstrate the present most established temple is Nagarakertagama book, which was composed by Impiu Prapanca in 1365. In the book composed that the temple was utilized a portion of Buddhist completion. The importance of the name Borobudur cloister in the slopes, which is gotten for Bara, temple or religious community, and Baduhur, slopes or high place in Sanskrit. According as per the significance of the name Borobudur, then this spot since it was utilized a portion of Buddhist love. Describe city. Kupang City. Kupang City is a municipality as well as the capital of the province of Aceh Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. This municipality is the largest city on the island of Timor, which is located on the coast of Kupang Bay, the northwest part of the island of Timor. As the largest city in the province of Aceh Nusa Tenggara, the city of Kupang is filled with various ethnic groups. Significant ethnic groups in the city of Kupang are Timur, Rote, Sabu, Chinese, Flores, and a small number of immigrants for Bugis and Java. The area of Kupang City is 120 km, with a population of around 441,565 people, 2020. The city is divided into 6 districts and 51 villas. Air transportation. The city of Kupang has an airport with the name Altari International Airport. Sea transportation. Jatanau Port can serve goods and passenger ships. Land transportation. The land transportation system of the city of Kupang is served by minibus for city transportation, which are commonly called BEMO. There is also a taxi service, and some routes are served by city buses. Kupang City has a lot of crime, especially for seafood fans. Tourists who visit the city are usually impressed by the grilled fish that are large in size at a relative cheap price. Kupang City is popular night market serving seafood dishes is located in the Solar Villa area around the former Raja Cinema. Enjoy with Kupang special chili sauce. Also fresh squid and prawns that emit a sweet aroma when grilled are very appetizing. In addition, tourists will also be served one of the typical foods of Kupang, namely bose corn. This food is made for a mixture of corn and vegetable and peanuts. There is also sei meat, namely beef or pork that is smoked and mixed with salt and spices so that it tastes sweet and also salty. Kupang City also has very beautiful tourist charms, namely Crystal Cave, Tanau Monkey Cave, Mangrove Ecotourism, Nunsui Beach, Batununa Beach, Lasiana Beach, Nostalgia Park. There is also the East Nusa Tenggara Cultural Park, the East Nusa Tenggara Museum, and others. Kupang City has health service facility owned by the government and managed by the private sector. Describe object. Handphone. My favorite thing is my handphone. This cell phone was a gift from my parents. The brand is Samsung Galaxy A21s. The display size is 6.5 inch. My phone color is white. It has a very high resolution with a 48 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro camera, 13 megapixel front camera, 5000 battery typical, 3 RAM, 512 micro SD card. It has a fingerprint on the back. I use it to search for information, make calls, listen to songs, etc. I have installed several apps on my phone. I also like taking pictures with this phone. Very sharp and bring results. This phone is very useful for me. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to press the like and subscribe. Thank you all. Bye bye.